really loud.
That's pretty fast, slow.
Steady.
Racing.
Use the brake.
That guy can't go on a bicycle.
Watch out for the grass.
No, the moped will be even harder.
Really?
Yep.
Well, there you go, ladies. Ryan, bring her up and go up on patio, Ryan. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Ladies and gentlemen, an amazing 1.2 horsepower Popeye showing us how it's done.
Are you filming this?
No. We're taking too long.